Let me show you how I built my kite board / kite foil storage solution, and this should help you in building your own. I actually started in Photoshop planning out how I was going to build out the whole thing, arranging the kites, foil, and whatever in a digital space before transforming it to the real world. Once I had a rough idea of what I wanted, I bought the materials needed. An 8-foot 2x4, 2-inch concrete screws, 1-inch wood screws, wood stain, polyurethane finish, utility hooks, plumber's pipe, and a surfboard rack. I have a 5-foot by 8.75 foot area to work with, so let's get started. All this stuff in the back of my truck is all my kite gear. I got 4 kites, a foil, twin tip board, 2 harnesses, a pump, some wetsuits, and I have to assemble it in this section on the wall and make sure it doesn't touch that garage railing. The first step was to create the baseboard in which my wetsuits and kites would hang from. If you don't have concrete walls, you could skip this and drill straight into the wall. I got my 8-foot 2x4, stained it black, got it cut in half, and started building the wall from the top down. I used 3 concrete screws for each 2x4 to get them mounted on the wall, and then started attaching the utility hooks that will hold the kite bags. Then I mounted this surfboard rack I found on Amazon, carefully measuring the height to make sure I had enough clearance for the foil. I made a hanger rack for my poncho and wetsuits out of 1/2-inch plumber's pipe, spray painted it black to go with the theme, and drilled into the wood. A step I forgot to mention at the beginning was to finish the wood with polyurethane so it does not rot when it gets wet. And that's it. I put all my gear on the wall and I'm mad satisfied with how it came out. It's right next to my garage door, so I'm ready to go shred at any time, and it's less of a sandy wet mess when I get back home. Hope this was useful to build your own kite wall. See you on the next one.